Thursday morning, and today, like, after seeing a bunch of YouTubers and rail fans go and catch the Metro North's new Siemens Chargers, today I am finally gonna catch one and stuff. I had to turn because the operator is literally getting here. So I'm here on the E train only because of the fact that I went through the wrong turnstile. So, you know, fun train ride, which will hopefully get me to Harlem 125th Street and everything. And altogether, we'll see how it goes. Okay, now I'm on the A train and on an R211. So, basically, gonna head to probably Penn Station or somewhere. Because again, it's what I get for getting on the wrong turnstiles and everything. And everyone's here is probably wondering why I'm vlogging. Trying to face the roof as best as I can, so no one complains about me pointing towards the floor. But you can imagine I'm around a bunch of advertisements. So, over here at Times Square. So now I'm just gonna get on the shuttle. It would make more sense for me to be able to get off at Grand Central in order to catch the Chargers. But the reality is that I just like to see trains coming and going. So what I'm going to do is essentially head up to Harlem 125th Street via the 4 and 5, and basically from there I'll be able to catch the hopefully I'll be able to catch the Chargers. I'll give it like a few minutes or so and everything. If I catch it, I catch it, great. But either way, I'll take the train back to Grand Central just so I can say I finally have a Metro North train ride on my channel. Change of plans again because I'm lazy. Like, I'm on the 7 train instead, only because like the walk would have been a little bit further, and for reasons I'm not going to disclose, I'm in my dress shoes today. So like, if I was in my sneakers, I could rush my way over, but that would have been a lot. I was honestly trying to catch it before the departure and everything, but now I'm on the 5 train. Gonna head to Harlem and then finally catch the Chargers, hopefully. I'm clearly on the wrong side because that's the side where all the diesel trains keep coming by and everything, and so far it's only Genesis locomotives. Like, I used to catch no Genesis in my YouTube videos, but now all of a sudden, now that they're retiring, it's like, let's take them all out, come on. Like, seriously. Really. And as you hear in M7A over here, I had to like do a jump over because there's a Mamma Mia poster right there. But still, just trying to still keep everything as wholesome as possible. So I had a feeling I wouldn't be able to catch any of their Chargers here and everything. I'm not getting on this train that's coming. The next one that's coming is a diesel. I'm gonna take that back over to Grand Central and stuff, and I'm gonna see if I could be able to catch the Chargers from there. But either way, I had a feeling I wouldn't catch any here and everything, but I love that I'd be catching several Genesis and everything, so look out for that video. Well, I'm here in Grand Central, so I would try to spend some extra time trying to find the Charger and everything, but like, since there are only like a very few amount and everything, it's not like when Amtrak introduced the Avalia Liberty. I'm just gonna head home and everything. Not to mention my battery is getting low on my phone because like, I woke up early this morning because I had an appointment, and that's why I'm here in Manhattan to begin with. So, you know, I missed the Charger, oh well. Like, Metro North is going to be getting some more throughout the years and everything, and basically I'll be able to catch it then. And now I just need to find the 4 and 5 train, and then I'll head back home. See y'all later. Thursday morning, and okay, so I arrived here at Harlem and everything. Oh, here's a short liner. It might have a Charger at the rear.